Hi friends, this is Raghu here. You are watching Raghu View. Friends, today I am preparing Mangalore style Dhaba chicken curry recipe. Friends, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And follow me on social media. Links are given in below description. Friends, now without wasting time, let's go to the video. Friends, now first we need to marinate chicken. I have taken 1.5 kg chicken. So first we need to marinate this. In this, add some curd, half spoon of Kashmiri chili powder, salt 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon turmeric, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now mix this well. Friends, I have taken 1.5 kg chicken. Now you mixed it well. Now close it and leave it for half an hour. Friends, now add oil to the pan. Friends, now add some mustard seeds. Adding onions. I have chopped 4 big onions. Friends, I am preparing this chicken for 1.5 kg, and the preparation time will take around 40 minutes. Let's fry these onions up to 50%. Friends, now this was up to 50% fried. Now take some onions in a blender. We need to blend this. Friends, now in this blender add 3 tomatoes, medium size tomatoes, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves. This is around half bunch, and 6 green chilies. We need to blend this nicely. Friends, we have taken some onions. Now I am adding some curry leaves. Friends, now we are going to add the marinated chicken. I have marinated this chicken for half an hour. I am adding this now. Just fry this chicken for 10 minutes. Now Friends, close the lid for 5 minutes. Friends, now you can see the water of the chicken is coming out. Now mix this well for one time, and in this stage we are going to add the blended masala. You can add some water to the jar. Now we can mix it once. Friends, now in this again we are adding another half spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now adding 4 spoons of coriander powder. Just we can mix this once. You can add water as per your requirement. Now in this adding 3 spoons of chicken masala. Now adding some salt for taste. Now again mix this once and close the lid and leave it for 15 minutes. Friends, now this was boiled for 15 minutes. Now in this add 2 spoons of garam masala and 1 spoon of pepper powder. Now close the lid for another 5 minutes, and after boiling this we can add coriander. Friends, now you are opening the lid after 5 minutes. Just mix it once. See the taste, whether we need to add salt or not, but it is perfect for me. Now at last add some coriander leaves. Just mix it and boil it for 5 minutes, opening the lid. Friends, you can eat this curry for ragi ball, rice, even with biryani, chapati, pulka, anything. Today I prepare this curry for idli. Friends, now this chicken curry is ready to serve. Friends, I hope you all like this video. Please share with your friends and prepare this at your houses and comment me how the taste is. Friends, follow me on social medias. Links are given in below description. And don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you friends. See you in a next video.